On the day you get your braces, you'll see a little sheet like this in your start bag. On one side, we're going to go over foods to avoid. These are very important so that you don't break your brackets, bend your wires, or have wires pokes. So basically, make sure you're not eating anything really sticky, chewy, or crunchy. We don't want to chew on ice. We don't want to eat thick chips like Doritos, Cheetos, Fritos, no Takis, no thick pretzels, no hard shell tacos. Make sure you only eat soft. You want to make sure you avoid hard edges of pizza. If you're eating pizza crust and it's not real crispy, you can tear it into smaller pieces and chew on it with your back teeth. Be careful with meat on the bone. Make sure you peel meat off ribs, chicken wings. Also with tough steak, you want to cut it into real small pieces. No gum, no sticky candy. That would be Airhead, Laffy Taffies, Now and Later, stuff like that. Hard candy, Suckers, Jolly Ranchers, peppermints. All these things can cause your brackets to break or even cause a wire poke. No chewing on pens, pencils, no corn on the cob. Make sure you peel it off the cob. No raw carrots or anything really crunchy like that. Raw fruits and vegetables. Another thing you want to be careful with is apples. You don't want to bite into an apple because it could pop those front brackets off. So what you want to do is slice it up and then you're free to eat those. It really talks about potato chips and stuff like that. Any Lay's potato chips are okay because they're real thin, but you can't eat kettle cooked chips. They're way too thick and way too crunchy and you're for sure going to pop a bracket off.